The first time most people hear about a body farm, they picture something out of a horror movie: decaying corpses in a shadowed laboratory, scientists scribbling in notebooks, the air thick with the unthinkable. But the truth is far stranger and far more human than that. There are laboratories like this across the United States, some funded by universities, some by private organizations, and together they represent a hidden, billion-dollar industry at the edge of science, law, and mortality. Here, the dead are not simply remains. They are teachers. Researchers place bodies in the sun, in forests, in shallow graves, and watch. They track how flesh and bone break down, how the earth reclaims what was once living. On the surface, it is macabre, but beneath it lies a simple, urgent purpose: to save lives. Every piece of data helps investigators identify victims faster, helps families find closure, helps courts seek justice. And yet, the industry has grown quietly into something almost unthinkable. Some of these private body farms are worth hundreds of millions, contracts hidden from public view, funding flowing from governments, insurance companies, even medical research conglomerates. There are ethical debates that rarely make the headlines. Whose bodies are allowed here? How are consent and dignity protected? And what happens when profit intersects with science in a world that few of us ever see? Dr. Helen Whitmore, a forensic anthropologist who has worked on several public and private sites, explains it best. Every skeleton tells a story. Every decomposition curve is a map that can save someone else from going missing, from disappearing without a trace. But the way the industry operates is changing. More money means more access, more bodies, and inevitably, more questions about how far we should go. Some critics call it exploitation. Others call it inevitable progress. The billion-dollar body farms exist in a space most of us will never enter, yet they touch every one of us in ways we might not realize. They force us to confront mortality, to weigh the value of knowledge against the sanctity of life, to wonder, how far are we willing to go to understand death itself? And maybe, in the quiet sunlit fields where corpses meet science, there is something profound waiting for us, not just about death, but about what it means to be alive.